As a flat dough twist machine, it can make a different dough twist. Single dough twisting structure, multiple dough twisting structure. As a 3 twisting dough twist working set with a capacity 50 kg per hour. Machine can make 3 lines one time, and they will be cut into shorter lines later. The lines is changeable. Machine is able to run automatically, saving time and energy. The finished dough twist is same in size and intact in structure. Single twisting dough twist. Perfect twisting effect. Its capacity is 10 kg per hour. It's a small size machine and very suitable for home use. The speed of different models of machine is adjustable. The finished dough twist won't be loosened and is very popular in the food market. Most important, it can bring you high profit with little investment. Please connect our website to know more.